Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll guide you through two simple methods to check your RAM speed on a Windows 11 computer. Knowing your RAM speed is essential for optimizing system performance. The first method uses Task Manager. Start by opening the Start menu, typing Task Manager, and selecting it. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Performance tab on the left-hand side and select Memory. Here, you'll find detailed information about your RAM, including the speed, which is displayed under the Speed section, for example, 2133 MHz. Additionally, you can hover over slots used to see how your RAM is allocated across your system. The second method involves using the command prompt. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type wmic memorychip, get speed, and press Enter. This command will display your RAM speed in MHz, matching what you saw in Task Manager. For instance, you might see a speed of 2133 MHz, depending on your system's configuration. These two methods are quick and effective for checking your RAM speed. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.